Hello, welcome to my channel. Today let us see how to make a beautiful lacy summer scarf. This is a very beautiful and simple scarf made using triple crochet stitches. Here I'll show you a sample piece. You first put a chain, then continue with a row of chains. This is the breadth of the shawl. It must be in multiples of 4. Here I put 12 chains. Now I have finished 12 chains. Again put 3 chains and then put a double crochet in the third chain. From this continue double crochet in all the chains. This is the edge of the scarf and so it should be thicker. So we make a double crochet row. In the starting and the ending we should make a double crochet row. In each and every chain I am making a double crochet. I'll complete this row and come back to you. Now I have completed the row. Again make 3 chains and turn the side, and now make a triple crochet in the next stitch so that the other 2 sides will also be thicker. Then make 3 chains and put a triple crochet. Leave 3 chains and in the 4th chain put a triple crochet stitch. Again 3 chains, twist twice, leave 3 chains and in the 4th chain put a triple crochet stitch, and again we came to the ending. So in the next chain itself you make another triple crochet and complete the row. Coming to the next row, make 3 chains, turn the side and put a triple crochet in the next stitch, next chain. Make 1 chain and put a triple crochet in the space. Then 3 chains and a triple crochet in the next space. In the same method we will complete the shawl. In the edges 2 triple crochets and in between 3 chains and 1 triple crochet in each space. Now I have completed the scarf. I have posted a separate video for the edging and I have given the link in the description. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. If you like this video, share with your friends, and more for such videos, subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching.